Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of low-fat foods. Is their health claim accurate, or is it a marketing ploy? We'll dissect this trend and understand the health food argument better. The term low-fat is often misconstrued. Many suppose that decreasing fat implies a healthier pick. Nevertheless, it's crucial to understand that fats vary. Beneficial fats, such as those found in avocados and nuts, are critical in our diet, facilitating nutrient intake and promoting overall health. Now, let's dissect the labels. When fat is extracted from an item, manufacturers typically increase sugar or artificial components to improve taste. This substitution can lead to a less healthy alternative, as surplus sugar is associated with multiple health problems. Therefore, it's vital to examine the nutrition facts thoroughly to avoid falling for false health claims. So, the next time you reach for that low-fat product, remember to look beyond the front label. Always scrutinize the nutrition facts to make informed choices. Now, let's delve deeper into the conversation about whole foods versus processed alternatives. In today's fast-paced world, we are commonly drawn towards the convenience of prepackaged, low-fat snacks. They are often marketed as healthier options, them seemingly attractive choices for those of us who are mindful about our calorie intake. But it's worth noting that not all that glitters is gold. As fascinating as the world of processed foods may seem, it's crucial that we understand one vital fact. Whole, unprocessed foods, though they may not be presented in attractive packages or have long shelf lives, often provide us with a more thorough and complete nutritional profile. These are the foods that are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other nutrients that our bodies need to function correctly. They lack the excessive amounts of sodium, sugar, and unhealthy that processed foods usually contain. Therefore, the next time you find yourself reaching for those low-fat chips out of habit, take a pause. Consider healthier alternatives. Why not snack on nutrient-rich fruits or veggies instead? They are not only packed with essential nutrients but also are a delightful treat for your taste buds. Experts weigh in. A multitude of research and analysis by professionals in field of nutrition and dietetics suggests that adopting an extremely low-fat diet might not necessarily be the ideal choice for everyone's health. In essence, every individual's body has unique needs when it comes to nutrients and diet. But what remains constant is the fact that our bodies require a certain amount of fat to function optimally. Fats are an integral part of our diet, providing us with the energy we need to go about our daily tasks. Essential fats specifically are crucial in of biological processes. They play a key role in brain function, crucial for our cognitive abilities, decision-making, learning, and memory retention. Moreover, fats are also needed for hormone production, which in turn regulate many body functions such as growth, metabolism, and sexual function. Lastly, fats contribute to the overall cellular health, being involved in cell structure, helping in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and offering protection to our organs. However, the amount and type of fat required can vary greatly from person to person. It's advisable to consult with a nutritionist or a healthcare professional who can provide a more personalized diet plan. They are equipped to analyze your health status, lifestyle, and preferences, and determine the right balance of fat intake for your individual needs. This guidance can ensure that your diet supports your health, rather than detracts from it. Let's hear some success stories. Diet and nutrition can be a complicated subject with a dizzying array of advice and recommendations. However, an increasing number of individuals have found effective solution in the simple act of adjusting their fat intake. A common misconception is that all fats are harmful. Yet, our bodies actually require certain types of fat for proper function and optimal health. Many people swept up in the wave of low-fat diets have discovered the positive benefits of reincorporating balanced fats back into their meals. Not all fats are created equal, and by focusing on healthier fats, they have experienced noticeable changes in their well-being. We're not just talking about minor improvements. For some, the effects have been transformative, far-reaching. Improved skin health, for instance, is one of the noticeable benefits. The glow and clearness that one can achieve by adding healthy fats to their diet is remarkable. Healthy fats also have the added advantage of enhancing mood. The brain is largely composed of fat and needs a good supply of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to function well. Therefore, a diet rich in these nutrients can help to uplift mood and boost mental well-being. Furthermore, a diet balanced in healthy fats can provide sustained energy levels. Unlike sugars that cause and crashes, good fats provide a more steady and sustainable source of energy. This can be a game changer for those struggling with energy dips throughout the day. Indeed, this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to understand your body's needs and adjust your diet accordingly. But it's clear that for many, a balanced fat diet has been a major shift for the better. It's all about finding the right balance that works for your body and lifestyle. So, there you have it, the comprehensive analysis on low-fat foods. It's essential to remember that the primary objective is not necessarily about entirely eliminating fats from your diet. You see, fats are a vital nutrient that your body requires to function optimally. They provide energy, help absorb certain vitamins, and even contribute to heart health. But it's all about what kind of fats you're incorporating into your meals. When we talk about low-fat foods, it doesn't mean these foods are always the healthier alternative. Sometimes they are loaded with sugar or other unhealthy ingredients to compensate for the lack of fats and maintain the taste. It's crucial, therefore, to read labels carefully and understand what's in your food. Incorporating healthier fats like omega-3 fatty acids from fish, flax seeds, or walnuts, in contrast to unhealthy ones like trans fats found in processed foods, will do wonders for your overall health. The key is to strike a balance, the optimal mix of nutrients in your diet that suits your body and lifestyle. Making informed choices means equipping yourself with the right knowledge about the food you consume. So it's not about chasing the low-fat tag, but understanding your dietary needs and finding a balance that supports your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more health information.